So we have here Seat guys, 09. Problema nito, there is a noise coming from the inside here. Who's the pulley in here? And the crankshaft pulley look like brand new on it. And as you can see, there are a lot of oil leak. So we will see now what's the story. We'll have to wait for the owner to come.
This is noise. Nothing seems to be moving, is it?
Sound? What you? Is the front pulley brand new?
No. Here.
Look like the dumper, you know, the balancer, the rubber on the front pulley. Like the balancer. There is a dumper in this one. See this? This one. Yeah, once it gets plugged, it will get noise. Yeah. Yeah. Turn it off.
I bought this for myself because the other one is clutch.
Okay, we'll change that one.
They're just the screws off the cover.
What did you spray?
Bit of just that.
WD-40? What?
Yeah, WD-40. Just because I wanted to see where the noise was coming from.
Is the belt new?
Yeah.
Belt new, yeah?
No, I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
It looks good, yeah.
It looks good, yeah?
That's definitely that wheel because when you're here, you can hear that wheel. And it has a rubber inside it, and it looks like it's worn, doesn't it?
That's the balancer.
Yeah, that's why it's jumping.
Yeah. We'll see now. And if we put a new one, I will try to remove the belt and then start the engine. And we will see if there's still noise.
Oh, I know what you mean, yeah.
Yeah, because if there's no noise, maybe the fucking
Air conditioning.
compressor. We will see.
We'll do away with that and we put a small belt on it.
Taking out the belt and then we'll try to start the engine if still there's still no noise. Belt off. Belt off.
You want me to fuck off a minute? Daddy? Be here till like 6:30. I thought 6:30, 7. I use the little drill.
See.
I'll put a few posies into it if they fucking. I'm waiting for the answer to you on Thursday night. Just to see. That sort of car I got out of the garage, you know. The other fucking car out the neighbour. I think she fucking knew that thing was something wrong with it, you know.
Huh?
I think her mechanic probably told her there was something wrong with that car.
Take the fucking belt off and then we start the engine and we'll know where the noise coming from. So, take this off here.
The new DOE yet?
Okay,
Okay.
start the engine, yeah? We'll see where's the noise coming from. Is that the one that you hear?
No, really noisy. No noise now at all.
So it's the fucking compressor one.
Yeah. So it's the fucking air conditioning.
Yeah.
Can you disconnect it even to make it just go around now?
Fucking that's.
Oh, that's fucked, look. Screw is loose. Put your finger in the middle, look.
Hmm?
Oh, I thought the screw looks loose. See it in the middle.
It is, yeah.
Fucking old bastard dad was right again.
Fucking.
Is it loose?
It is.
Fuck.
It's not secure, like. Fucking.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
So, if you run this thing on the MPT, this
The fucking
fucking
screw was hanging out of the fucking
this
the
pulley
air
will fly
conditioning
around.
wheel. Grand, eh? Well, that's good. We'll try to fix it now, eh? I'll just get back to you, okay? Chris good, isn't he? I'll bring you back in a minute, right? Is it tightening, Chris, yeah?
Oh, fuck. Fucking looks like its thread is gone.
Can you weld it?
What do you mean weld it?
Super glue.
Fucking hell no. I mean, I'll take it out. Looks like the thread is gone, man. Because it's not
Tightening.
tightening, man.
So that's why it was wobbling. I could see it wobble.
Yeah. You see?
I had a fucking feeling, because that's what happened with the other car. You fixed it for me before. I thought it was something else and it was all to do with the air conditioning. Fucking shite. Well, that's good to know. At least not too bad.
No, it's not coming off, man.
Is it not?
Torque. This is just torques and it's not coming off, like it's just going spinning and spinning. Oh.
Can we get a belt? I'll just do without that. I can go over now and get a belt. Small belt.
It depends. It depends, but you know, if you have the smaller belt, then we can bypass this one.
Yeah, I don't need that air conditioning.
Yeah, we can bypass this one if you have like.
Will I ring
Do
them
we
and
have-
ask them?
Yeah, just try to ring, eh? Just can bypass this belt like.
You got any belts now? I only have big belts, Chris. Look, you're a small one now.
No, fuck no. I'm not out of shop. So that's why it wasn't tightened, because the screw is fucked. The thread on the inside is fucked. Obviously you need fucking compressor.
How's God making a talking mark for a sec? Explain.
So I'll show you guys what's wrong. This one here is loose and it doesn't get in like so the thread is gone.
What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get a belt that's small enough to be waving.
We need a belt actually.
Just a fan belt. So one of the lads
So obviously it's gone.
I just want to get a belt that has no air conditioning. So it's 019 28408. If you have the
We'll see now.
You back in there. Just check it now. Hopefully Chris you have one.
Yeah. This compressor here. Here. This is the torque bolts. The thread is gone on the inside. And that's where the noise coming from. Because it wasn't tight. So this is the clutch where the engagement happening. But since there's no like the bolt is loose, so there is no clutch engagement on this one, because this one is very loose, like the thread is gone on the inside, that's why. So here the damper, like the balancer or the rubber damper inside here that surrounds the crankshaft pulley, still good. As you can see, there's no play or there's no crack or whatever, and it's not even wobbly like. So the wrong thing here, the noise that's coming from here, the compressor pulley inside clutch here is making the noise like because it wasn't tight here. And even if we turning this one, it just keeps spinning. So the reason why thread is gone. The belt pulley still good, no? There is a play, but it's not the reason why that's making the noise. So the noise is come from here. Bad compressor pulley, compressor bad. Okay, so we're gonna put the guy is ordering new belt, a smaller belt that will go direct from the alternator up to the crankshaft. So obviously we're gonna bypass this one, this compressor pulley. We're gonna bypass this one as it is. We don't need this anymore, so we're gonna need a small belt to bypass. Okay, like so you're gonna to pinch the what it is, the belt tensioner here, you're gonna need 16 spanner. So you pull it like that. Sixteen spanner, guys, that you need. And then you're gonna sorry, so you're gonna pins like that, and then mix with 32 spanner. So you're gonna fold it like that, and then you're gonna fold it down, and that's how you can.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
You mechanic, yeah?
Why? Kind of, yeah. Why?
I'm looking for him to do service.
Yeah, no worries.
Check.
That's what you get. So.
You know we have to take that out, though, do you?
Fucking hell. We'll see if this one's good. Pull this up, yeah?
Yeah.
Up. Moment.
I think you have to take out the other one, do you? No, you don't.
What? Moment. Okay.
Hope the fuck this works, man, 'cause I've no fuck all I'm doing is driving heaps of shit. I'll get the list down if it fails or not, and then I'll get all the stuff. You can do it for me then, I'll fucking next week or something.
Yeah.
I think it might need something. There's a bit about that.
Like, need a lot.
Don't say that, Chris. It's still NCT anyway. I like to get it done a while beforehand, you know. A year.
Hold this, will you?
Yeah.
Come here.
You usually tell me to fuck off.
Yeah, fuck. Hold this.
Yeah.
Steady, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't fucking swing it, yeah?
Okay,
We'll slide on it. You swing the one. Hold steady.
have it.
Okay, one. Okay.
Got it back.
Slowly release. Release slowly. Yeah, it's in. Yeah. All good.
Okay.
Start engine. We'll see. Start engine, we'll see. So that's it. Put this back on and that's it.
See if I play